Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Palace D. As always, I really would like to share with you my today's piece. So without any further delay, I'm on here and going to share with you my opinions and expressions, whatever I really wanted to say to you. Actually, this moment looking so gorgeous to me. I am feeling so fresh. That's why here no any problems, just to explore myself differently. So that's all I am doing. And sometimes this making video is a great source of my happiness. That's why I really would like to involve myself sometimes with this video making. So everybody, sometimes I really feel so worried when I thinking about some people of my beside. Have you ever getting such kind of circumstances beside of you? Actually, it is something like that. When you wanted to do something that time no one coming near to us to give us support to increase our encourage. But sometimes they are becoming so busy to catch our mistakes. Okay, I know it's a very common point, and so many people who are especially involving themselves in learning point. It is a very common point, and those people used to hearing such kind of speech from different people. Whatever I'm sharing with you is coming from my own experience, and you can say it is realistic. Because I started my English journey that time, no one beside of me, which there was also some people. There are some people who standing beside of me with their negative speech, with demotivated speech, so many things by which sometimes I falling behind from my works. But once I can understand that it is not my way. I have to develop myself with myself, and that's why I started to ignore such kind of peoples who have negativity. But at the same way, I accepted those people who have lots of positive words about me, lots of positive words about my works, and so many inspirations when I going for start my journey. Actually, that was amazing as well as so painful, and I perceived both of things together, which I used to make each of things differently, because both of things are not suitable for me, and both of those things are not actually beneficial to me. Just I have taken all the supports of my nearest person who are my well wisher, and I avoid all kinds of speech of some negative people. Although those that negative minded people nowadays coming beside of me and inspiring me, and I'm so lucky for that, and congratulations to both of them. Because if they had no negative words at the beginning part that time, I was standing. I have to stand on there without words, which when they supplied their worst speech and demotivated speech, that time I became angry, and instantly my mind really wanted to do many things in a short time. It was one kind of energy, you can say, and my stamina grew up that time. Every single day I thought that when I can speak, when I can express myself with my own ability, so many things moved inside of my mind at the time. But day by day, finally my worst days overcome, and now I'm happy, because ultimately I can speak, although it is simple but beautiful, and here's one kind of satisfaction. Okay, dear people, my one and only request to you, please avoid those people who really would like to make a barrier who really who really seems to you as a difficulty. Okay, it is high time just to avoid such category people, because those are not your well-wisher, those just coming to you for killing your power. So it is high time to just throw their company and live from their side, and try to use your present moment, because something better waiting for you today or tomorrow. And at that time they wish you by clapping hand, and that day is not so far if you are struggling nowadays. So that's all you can do if you like this speaking with you. But I really believe from my mind, from my head, this is in our journey we have to struggle alone, no one giving us company. But we have to run our full way with our strength and with our own ideas and informations. Okay, so keep those words whatever I have mentioned in this video, because each of words can beneficial to you if you take seriously and sincerely. So goodbye, waiting for my next video. I will try my best just for coming up on here within a very short time. Short time means not today, it might be possible next day or day after. Okay, so everybody, goodbye, happy learning, practice, practice, practice. Try to remember this word if you want to develop your English. Goodbye.